Hello there, welcome to this video. I am the Bookkeeping Master and this is my Sage Accounting Basics course. Yay! You're very welcome here. Welcome to this course. I'm so excited. This is going to be fantastic. I'm going to teach you everything, absolutely everything about Sage Accounting. By the end of these courses, by the end of all these videos, you will be a Sage Accounting Master. There will be no stone left unturned. This course is the basics course, and I'll teach you all the basics you need to know so you can do bookkeeping on Sage Accounting. All of these tabs that you can see at the top of Sage, such as sales, purchases, contacts, etc., I will cover. I will teach you how to use the software so you can do that day-to-day bookkeeping on Sage Accounting. Following courses, following videos will answer your questions. They will go into the more extensive, advanced features of Sage. I'll show you how to reconcile a bank account on Sage Accounting, how to do a VAT return, those sort of things. There's a number of things I need to go through before we get started. The first thing is, this is the basics course. If you head over to my website, so freebookkeepingaccounting.com, find the Sage page. So it's near the bottom down here. Click on Sage and then choose Sage Accounting. This course that you're taking is this course here, this free Sage Accounting Learn the Basics. If you want to watch more videos, if you want to take more courses after this one, then my website is the place to be, because there's even more free courses such as how to reconcile a bank account, how to do a VAT return. If you scroll down, there'll be even more content for you to watch. It's all for free, no registration is required. Another thing that I wanted to mention before we get started is I'll go through each of these tabs and you'll learn things like how to add customers and suppliers, how to raise invoices for customers, how to record supplier invoices, how to add bank accounts, and everything else you need to know, such as creating invoice templates and things like that, so you can use the software. In later videos, I'll be using features that might not be available on your Sage Accounting. That's because I'm using the most advanced, most extensive version of Sage Accounting. So when it comes to, say, multiple currencies, if that's not on your Sage product, it's probably because you have a lower version than I do. You need to upgrade. But in this basics course, everything I go through should be on your Sage Accounting product, no matter which version you have. Another thing to mention, over time, Sage will update the software. So if you're watching this course in, say, a year's time or a few years' time, it may look a little different. Generally with these upgrades, these updates, the software doesn't change that much. How to add invoices, how to do a bank reconciliation, how to add a customer will always be the same. The layout just may be a little different. It may just become more modernized over time. So be aware of that. Another thing that I'll mention is, as you work through these videos, if you think to yourself, I would actually rather have someone train me one-to-one and answer my questions as we go along, then I do offer that. You don't have to take these free videos. If you head back over to my website, freebookkeepingaccounting.com, and if you go to more and go to services, you'll see that I offer one-to-one online Sage training, and I can teach you all of this on a daily to weekly basis online, answer your questions and provide that bespoke support. A couple of last things to mention and then we'll get started. If you require a copy of Sage, there is a link below in the description. It should have some sort of exclusive offer, like 3 months at 50% off or a month free, something like that. So if you need a copy, use the link below. And the last thing I wanted to mention is a bit about me. I am a bookkeeper. I'm an accountant. I've been doing this for about 15 years. I used to be a Sage trainer. So I used to go around and visit people's offices and train them on Sage, how to use Sage. I know what I'm talking about. I am reliable. I am knowledgeable. Okay, this is the first video. There should be a link below to start the next video. Or if you're on my website, just use the next link. So company details, and carry on with the course. Thank you so much for being here. Please like, please subscribe, please leave your questions in the comment section below as we work through these videos, and I'll do my best to help you.